Hi, so in this lesson, we'll be talking about creating condition script on scheduled reports. So one of the things that I'd like to highlight here is you only use the script if you manage to reach the limitation of out-of-the-box features of ServiceNow in scheduling reports. So in this example that you will see that um, on this instance, on a daily schedule of sending reports. So what you will see here is the hierarchy of the condition. So the script is implemented first. I mean, this is the priority on top of the daily out-of-the-box schedule of the scheduled reports. But I'd like you to understand the behavior here, since not to confuse you. So what will be the hierarchies? Is it the out-of-the-box or the script, right? So after evaluating if out-of-the-box feature is not cannot achieve what is needed for this scheduling of sending reports, then you have to create a script. Only in that condition. But I discourage creating scripts because it's something that you will need to maintain both short term and long term. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.